Today I want to show you a 3-step strategy that you can use to get a video to go viral on YouTube and start to earn you passive income every single month. This is the exact strategy that I used to blow up my first YouTube channel with just 6 videos. One of those videos got me over 300,000 views, and that video alone has launched me past the $100,000 mark and has continued to earn me passive income every single month since that video's been posted. So today, I want to share that strategy with you so that you can get your first video to go viral and start to earn a passive income even if your YouTube channel isn't monetized yet. Now, the first thing you have to realize is it only takes one banger video going viral to start to bring you in a pretty solid passive income. The key here is to find the right type of video to go viral though, so that you can maximize your earnings. So let me show you how to find some inspiration for making the perfect money-making viral video. The very first thing we want to do is figure out a topic that interests you. So head over to YouTube and start searching for content that is interesting to you. Once you have a topic in mind that you're interested in, you could start to search for things on YouTube that people in that particular topic might be searching for. So what you're essentially doing here is looking for effective search terms or keywords that people would be searching for within this topic that you're interested in. The reason we're doing this is because these type of videos are the best type of videos that can earn you the most amount of money. Now, the channels we're going to be finding when searching for this kind of content are going to be educational type of channels, and that are there to teach people very specific things about this topic. So as you're searching for this type of content, you want to be looking for videos that have a lot of views. I'm talking videos with at least like 250,000 views, and you preferably want these videos to be made within the last year or so. So what you're looking to do here is narrow a list down of 3 well-performing videos that are doing well around one particular question or one particular topic in mind. Now that you've found your top 3 videos that you know are performing well, go ahead and answer these 5 questions about each of those videos. Question 1. What is the title, thumbnail, and opening lines of that video, aka the hook? Question 2. What is the main problem or issue that this video is helping the viewer with? Question 3. What products or solutions are they providing for this main problem in the video? So make a list of any products or recommendations that you hear being listed out inside of the video as you're watching them. Question 4. What do you like about this video and what makes it resonate with you specifically? So any key points that this creator's really hit on that you really like, or anything that just makes you feel like, wow, this is an awesome video. I really like what they did there. And question 5. What are some of the most helpful things mentioned in this video? Now, once you've answered all of those questions about all of your videos, you should have a pretty good idea as to what helped these videos do really well. And we have all the information we need to now move on to step number 2, which is pairing a money-making method with your viral video. Now, even with the perfect viral video idea that has potential to get thousands and thousands to even millions of views, waiting around to get paid through AdSense or for sponsorship deals just takes way too long. And honestly, this is where 90% of YouTubers get things wrong when it comes to making content if their goal is to make money from their YouTube channels. So if you're looking to make money quickly with your content, here's how you do that. Since your video is going to be something educational, helping them with some sort of problem, we want to find a product that can help them solve that problem in a cool way.
What did he say?
Now, before you say, whoa, Josh, there's no way I can do that. I have no products to sell. I don't even know where to get started with selling products. Well, it's actually a bit more simple than that. Here are the best type of products that you can offer inside of your videos to make you money quickly and easily. The first type of products are going to be affiliate products, and these are the easiest type of products that you can include in your content right away with no real upfront work on your end. Selling affiliate products is literally just selling another company's products and you collecting a commission for selling that product. Now, since you don't have to create these products yourself, this can be one of the fastest ways to get started with this technique. Let's say you're interested in web design, and the video topic that you chose was a video about how to build a website. The product you can mention in this type of video could maybe be a suggestion for a hosting plan that the viewer would need to buy in order to build a website with you in your tutorial. This particular hosting plan would be an affiliate product for the hosting company that you chose. There are all kinds of places you can go to find different affiliate deals, but often if you go to your favorite brand's website and you scroll down to the bottom of the footer of their website, they'll usually have a link that says affiliate program, or something about join our partnership program. This is how you can earn a commission for selling that company's products. All you gotta do is just sign up for their affiliate program, enter in your information, and they'll give you your own special affiliate link that you can include in your video descriptions so that when people click that link and purchase that product, you get your commissions. The second type of product you could sell in your content are digital products. And these are products that are usually going to be like templates, presets, or some sort of knowledge-based product that help people do something quicker or faster. So this could be like an ebook or a guide on how to do a specific thing. Or let's say you're into photography and the video topic you chose was how to edit your photos for Instagram. The product you could provide here would maybe be a digital product for some photo editing presets for either Lightroom or Photoshop. This way the viewer can watch your video, learn how to edit their photo, and use your presets to help them get the results that they're looking for even quicker. Digital products are my favorite choice, and the reason is because you get to collect all of the commissions for these sales. All you have to worry about is creating the product once and then having people be able to download it from your website. So it's a pretty awesome money-making method and one of the best ways to make money with your YouTube videos. The goal here is to find a product that solves this problem in a very unique or quick and awesome way. You want to use that product as a solution for the problem in your video so that your viewers can see how to accomplish what they're looking to do using the product that you're talking about or mentioning in the video. So this is the exact method that I use to start earning myself money from the very first video posted to my YouTube channel. You've decided on a video topic or a particular search term that you want to target, and you've found some pretty good example videos of people who are doing super well with that particular kind of video. You've also found the perfect product to pair with that viral video idea. Well, now we need to move to step number 3, which is how we actually make your viral money-making video. So now all you have to do is go through and answer these 5 questions for your own video. Question number 1, what is the title, thumbnail, and opening lines of your video? Mimic yours after the winning videos that you found in step 1, trying to make yours unique or different in some way. But don't overthink this. The formats that were working in those other videos worked for a reason, so don't stray too far from what was working in those videos. Question 2, what is the main problem or issue that your video is going to help the viewer with? You want to be very clear with your intentions of making this video and exactly what you're trying to help the viewer overcome or accomplish. Question 3, how will you use your product in the video to solve your viewer's main problem? Question 4, what does the viewer want to know or learn from your video? There's a reason why the viewers clicked on this particular video. What are the questions that they may have in their head that they want to know or have be solved from this particular video? A good place to search for this is checking the comments from the winning videos that you found in step 1. Sometimes you'll find things within the comment section that the creator didn't include in their videos that you could easily include into your videos to make yours even better. And question 5, what are the most helpful tips that you want to include in your video? So this is where we're taking the best things of all 3 of those winning videos and combine them into one perfect viral video. Now you can do this in a couple different ways. You can choose to make your video shorter and more concise so that it gets the viewer answers quicker, or you can choose to be more in depth and more detailed, but include more of a process that the viewer can follow along with to where they get potentially more value from your video than the other people's videos. Tutorial style videos or list videos where you're listing out a list of different things like my 5 favorite camera tips for using in photography. Those videos tend to do really well because they're helping the viewer answer one specific problem or question, and oftentimes you can recommend a product or use a product the whole video as a solution to that one question or problem. Now make sure as you're mentioning these products or you're recommending products that you let the viewers know that in the description below there's a link to be able to purchase this product so they can quickly get access to your digital product or the affiliate product that you're mentioning in your video. Now if you want to see exactly how I set up my website and start to sell my own digital products on my shop, check out this video right up here. This way you can have your own branded store that you can link down in your description for your viewers to be able to purchase your digital products in your content to earn you money from day 1. I'll see you in that video.